Hello students, in this session we will learn about chapter number 1, that is number system. As computer is a machine that can do all the calculations very fast. So when we type something in the computer we use letters, numbers or symbols which a computer can't understand. Computer can only understand machine language which is in the form of binary digits, that is 0 and 1. So the information which we enter is first converted into digital form. Now let's see what is number system. A number system are the technique to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting into from computer memory has a defined number system. There are four types of number system. First is decimal number system. Second, binary number system. Third, octal number system. And fourth, hexadecimal number system. The first one is decimal number system. Let's see and learn. Decimal number system has only 10 digits from 0 to 9. Every number value represent with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in this number system. So the base of decimal number system is 10 because it has only 10 digits. Second is binary number system. A binary number system has only two digits, that are 0 and 1. Every number represents with 0 and 1 in this number system. The base of binary number system is 2 because it has only two digits. Third is octal number system. Octal number system has only 8 digits from 0 to 7. Every number represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in this number system. So the base of octal number system is 8 because it has only 8 digits. Fourth is hexadecimal number system. A hexadecimal number system has 16 alphanumeric values from 0 to 9 and A to F. Every number represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and letters A, B, C, D, E and F in this number system. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16 because it has 16 alphanumeric values. Here A is equal to 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Now look at the table carefully to understand the number systems. Now we will learn how to convert binary number into decimal number. In step 1, write down the binary number, that is 111001. In step 2, we have to multiply each digit of the binary number with the 2 because base of binary number system is 2. Then put the power from the right side, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. In step 3, solve the powers. Multiply 2 5 times, then multiply 2 4 times, multiply 2 3 times, then multiply 2 2 times, then multiply 2 1 time, that is 2, and 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. In step 4, add all the numbers, we will get 57. That is the decimal equivalent of the binary number. In this way, we have convert binary number system into decimal number system. Now see how to convert octal number system into decimal number system. Write down the octal number system 123 in step 1. In step 2, multiply each digit of the octal number system with 8 because 8 is the base of octal number system. Then we have to put the power from the right hand side, that is 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1 and 8 to the power 2. Now in step 3, solve the powers. multiply 8 two times, that is 64. Multiply 8 with the 1, that is 8. 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now solve the powers and in step 4 add up all the numbers. Answer is 83, that is the decimal equivalent of the octal number system. Now see how to convert hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. Let us take an example from our book. Write down the hexadecimal number C19 in step 1. Then multiply all the alphanumeric values with the 16 because 16 is the base of hexadecimal number system. Then write down the value of C, that is 12, and put the power from the right hand side. 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1 and 16 to the power 2. Now solve the powers. Multiply 16 two times. Multiply 16 with the 1 and 16 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then add all the numbers. We will get 3097. That is the decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal number system. Now let's convert decimal numbers to other number system. In this example, we have to convert decimal number to binary number system. So in step 1, divide the given decimal number with the required base, that is 2. Then write down the remainder and divide the quotient again with the same base. And repeat the step till the quotient is 0. Write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order to form the binary number system. Follow the same rule to convert decimal into octal number system or decimal into hexadecimal number system. Our next topic is computer arithmetic. So as we all know that computer understands only the binary code. The data input to the computer by the user is converted into the binary code. So this process may involve various kinds of arithmetic operations like additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, etc. on the binary numbers. So our first topic is binary addition. So what is binary addition? The technique we use to add binary numbers inside the computer is very easy and simple. We have to follow the rules to add the binary numbers. First case 0 plus 0, that is 0. Second, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Third, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And fourth, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry. So we have to follow this rule to add the binary digits. Now next is binary subtraction. So let us understand rules for binary subtraction. First case is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Second, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 with 1 borrow. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to follow this rule for the binary subtraction. Now let us take an example of binary addition. So according to the rule, if we add 1 plus 1, it is 0 with 1 carry. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry. Now again if we add 1 plus 1, it is 0 with 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with 1 carry and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. In the same way, if we add 1 plus 1, it is 0, carry 1 and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. I hope you like this video. Thank you.